Do you think we should wake him up?
Remember the last time we woke someone up? He puked everywhere.
Let's try.
Hey buddy. Hey.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So did you see the game yesterday? PSG won the game
Where are you? Where are you? What is the date? What is the date? Yeah, where are you?
5th of October, man.
What's yours? What is yours?
2013, where?
Oh. What's that? What's that?
That's my phone.
What is this?
That's my phone.
Where is the wire?
There's
It's
no
not a
wire,
phone.
it's a cell phone.
But where do you buy that?
I don't know, Apple Store.
Let me try.
Come, give me back my phone, dude.
No, let me try. Show me how it works.
Dude, are you okay? You seem lost. Come on, I'll help you. So, you hungry?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Then let's go to McDonald's then.
What this?
It's a fast food.
What a fast food.
It's a place where you eat in only 20 minutes.
What? It's not a restaurant classic?
No, it's a fast food. I'll show you, come on.
Okay. What is the waitress? But the bill, we don't have paid.
La marque d'or.
Hey, Simon, we don't have paid. Where's the waitress and the bill?
I paid with the card.
What card?
The credit card.
What is this?
The credit card I paid with.
How it works?
You just put it in the terminal.
I'm a little lost, but I don't understand. We pay with this and with any waitress. We in this.
This is fast food, man. This is how it works.
I'm totally lost. Sorry.
Time to get.
What is this?
It's time to go home. We are bringing you back in the 70s. No, come on.
Let me.